Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today's is a very simple recipe. You can have it for breakfast. It will be done in just 5 minutes. And of course, it is a no onion, no garlic recipe in keeping with the kind of recipes we are making this month. So for this, I have taken poha. Poha also known as avalakki or flattened rice. First, we will wash it and bring it back. To this, I am adding 1 teaspoon of tamarind paste and just about 1/4 cup of water, and mix it well together so that this poha, this is thick poha I have used today, so it soaks up this tamarind. If you don't have tamarind paste, just soak an amla size piece of tamarind in water and add the extract to it. First, we will heat a spoon of oil. Fry about 1/4 cup of peanuts. Now, drain out this roasted groundnuts into a plate. Keep this aside. Here I have taken 5 spicy chillis and 5 Bydagi chillis which are not spicy. We will roast them in the remaining oil itself. Take out the roasted chillis. 1/4 cup of coriander or dhania seeds. Remove the dhania seeds also onto the plate. Next, add 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of methi seeds, and 1 teaspoon of jeera. Dry roast these also together. Along with that, I am also adding a few crystals of Hing. Now we can switch this off. Allow all the spices to come down to room temperature. Then we will make it into a powder in our blender jar. Now we will blend this into a powder. See, we have blended it into a slightly coarse powder. Heat a oil in a pan. Add some mustard seeds, Channa dal, a few curry leaves, 1 green chilli, just 1 dry red chilli, add some turmeric powder, salt to taste. See, now our poha has soaked up this tamarind water. Reduce the flame and add this soaked poha to it. Mix everything well together. Now we will add in about 2 heaped teaspoons of this freshly blended powder. Reduce the flame and mix it with a light hand till everything is well mixed and the masalas are well coated. Finally, add a teaspoon of ghee and we can switch it off. Now, top it up with this roasted groundnuts. I have a little bit of the spice powder remaining. You can just store it in an airtight box. Use it as and when required. So, even this time will be saved. Your podi will be ready and you can make this at any time. I will transfer it into my serving dish. Our absolutely tasty breakfast recipe, no onion, no garlic, Puli Aval is ready. Earlier on, nearly 5 years ago, I have shown you another Puli Aval recipe which is a slight variation from this, where we have broken the aval, that is poha. That is a slight variation from this recipe. You try out this recipe too and I am sure you will enjoy the awesome flavors of this recipe. A few tips to remember. This is one of our traditional, almost long forgotten recipes which can be easily made. Now I said in 5 minutes because if you have this spice powder, this podi ready with you, it will just take you even less than 5 minutes to make the poha. the Puli Aval. Now here I have used thick poha, and I have used only 1/4 cup of water to soak the poha in the tamarind paste. Do not use more water because it will become soggy and your Puli Aval will not be fluffy like this. This is suitable for days on fasting also, and it need not necessarily be had when it is hot. It tastes very good even after a few hours too, just like how we have puliyodare or tamarind rice, a similar kind of taste. So you can even pack it for your lunch box, because by then it would have absorbed all the flavors and spices and the taste will be really good. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Gita's Kitchen. We'll meet again with another interesting episode from Gita's Kitchen. Thank you.